Oh, come on. There we go. Kept me from the skunk. Damn, solid, man. It's a decent little fish. So it's 6 a.m. Sun's just coming up. Getting out here right on time. I got 3 GoPro batteries, man, and I'm gonna fish them till they're dead. So hopefully we can snag some good ones. What? Are you kidding me? Oh, there we go. Kept me from the skunk. But damn, just not as big as I was hoping for. Ooh, just barely had him hooked. Little bitty guy, man, damn. He's 1.5 pounds probably. Okay, but hey, maybe we found him. Oh shit. Good one, hit it right at the bank. Nice. I didn't have my camera on because my battery's low. But dude snatched it right at the bank. He's a decent fish. Come on, man. There we go. Not a bad bass. Get a weight on him and see. $2.7. So I saw him jump just a little bit ago. So I kind of figured he might be hanging out there. Then he saw my bait and came and took it, man. He's a good fish. Close to 3. Now, how can I get him back in the water? Man, it's so tough to get these fish back in the water. That is a little guy. Right through the bottom of the lip. Nothing to phone home about. I think he's probably under 1 pound. But hey, he's a fish. They're biting. There we go. Oh, that's a decent fish. Nice. Oh man, right through the tub. It's a much better fish. Oh, I don't know, damn. Nice. Nice. Came right out. Much better fish. Solid, man. It's a decent little fish. Let's see what she was. Oh, over 3, yeah. 3-3, nice. All right, baby. Beautiful fish. There we go, baby. All right, you're good. See? That's all you needed. So you can see them right there. Big old Gar family, man. Man, so this week has been kind of frustrating. I haven't had a lot of time to fish. I've been crazy busy, crazy busy. And the time that I did have to fish has been so few and far between and so quick. I'm not having a lot of catching here and there, but then the other day I stopped at a lake that I never fish, that a buddy of mine fishes every now and then, and I lost my brand new damn chatterbait that I really liked, that I really put together. So even more frustrating. So I stopped by Academy real quick and was looking for the same bait that I lost. I was just gonna rebuy it, but they didn't have it. So I ended up buying another one that actually I really like as well. I'm gonna try to throw today. I'll show y'all that here in a bit when I hook it up. It's a jackhammer. It's got this, once again, kind of off color bait fish look, and I'm just putting a fluke on the back of it. This fluke I think is white with a chartreuse tail, so man, it's gonna stand out like a sore thumb. I don't know how it's gonna work because some of the lakes around here have been clearing up a little bit for some reason. They're not as murky as they usually are, but still, man, it looks so good in the water. I think something's gonna bite it. So we'll see, man. I'll show y'all the bait in a bit and we'll see what it does. Only got about maybe 30, maybe 40 minutes, you know. But let me ask you this: if you're not skipping responsibilities and work and stuff you need to do to go fish, are you really even a fisherman? Think about that. Peace. That's promise, man. She's got this gold and kind of blackish greenish head with some speckles on it. Nice gold thing here on the front of the chatterbait. Real kind of pretty green colors. And then I paired that with this just loud white and chartreuse tail fluke. And I really think that if there's a hungry big boy out there, he's gonna come and track it down. There we go. So that's what I'm gonna throw today. And it looks pretty, man. It looks pretty in the water too. Swims really well. Vibrates the hell out of everything within a 5-foot radius at least. No kidding. Oh, come on. There we go. All right, little bitty guy, but he'll do. Damn. But he was where I thought he'd be. My damn first bite all day, so I'll take it. Yeah. I got a couple hits right up against that little that weed line there. Yeah. See you, man. There we go. Oh, he got off. Nope, no he didn't. Holy crap. That is a big old bluegill, man. Holy but Jesus. I've never seen one get my hook down his mouth like that. Damn, I got him good. Pretty fat little bluegill. He's got a big mouth for a bluegill. That's crazy. Pretty nuts, man. Usually the bluegill can't get the hook or the worm in their mouth. This guy didn't have no problem. Look, he's big as my hand is. And that little, whoa. Little bitty shit messed up my Cinco. That might be the first bluegill I've ever caught on a Cinco. Maybe. And he may have just gotten eaten.